Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
You tell him, but damn, boy, look at this presentation.
Thank you, my love.
Damn, look like we in Dubai.
Or Hawaii.
Oh, Hawaii.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Michael.
Okay, so this is the second day of our wingathon.
Yes, wingathon.
Okay, so today we have habanero pineapple wings, or pineapple habanero wings, or habanero pineapple. I'm just playing.
Whatever you want, but look at this. Check it out. It's like the outfit of the day.
And then we also have a salad, and I also made coconut pineapple rice.
Damn, you went hard today.
Yes, I did. So before we dig in, and I'll tell you how I prepared these things, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh.
We're back. I know you're trying to rush because you want to see what's in this pot. But yeah, I love it. You like it.
Okay, so you want dressing on there, baby?
You want to put my dress in my yolk? I can't go and eat.
Yeah, man. We can mix it up because that tastes just fine. Put some on there, put some on there.
Put some on there, put some on there. All right.
Yes. So,
All right. So what's going on with this now? Leave that thing right here, how it is right here. Because I can't search for my things. I gotta leave it there.
no.
Oh.
So we're gonna move it around so we can eat. Okay. Oh, let's do a thumbnail, honey. So just and we just. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna move around the gadgets.
Pineapple smell good though, honey.
Yeah, man. They can still see it. That's a good thing. They can still see it in the bowl, the pineapple bowl.
Yeah, let me turn the pineapple bowl there. I can see the pineapple bowl because you know.
Yeah, man. Let them see it, man.
I see the pineapple bowl. That's the presentation right there.
Yes. So, you guys know that my sister is a chef, okay? And I told her that I wanted something different. And she said, make some habanero pineapple wings. She didn't tell me how to make it. She just said, make it. So.
Hold on, excuse me. Move mine a little because today I don't want no problems because you know. Okay, on top right there.
So, I just got some pineapple habanero sauce. And then I added some fresh pineapple to bring out more of the pineapple. And then, look at that. I'm gonna let you guys share some today.
Yeah.
You guys can have some.
Show you
look
something.
at that.
Yo.
Where's the ranch?
Run to your store, my youth. You look like you want to be up on camera.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Hold on. Wait.
Ooh, it's spicy.
Real talk. This right, I can't eat regular rice no more. White rice.
Really?
This right here is on fleek, son.
Thank you.
I ain't gonna lie, no cap. It's on fleek. It's well buttery. I can taste the you put coconut milk in it? Yes. I don't know because I wasn't here. Damn.
If you want, you can put some sauce on it. But
Hold on. Hold on.
ooh,
Hold on.
that rice is delicious.
Yes.
Wow, look at that.
Look at the presentation.
Look at that.
Don't worry.
So,
Okay.
all of these wings was made in an air fryer.
We're getting it better now.
The air fryer is the bomb, diggity.com. Okay? Come on. When it came out of the air fryer, I just brushed with the habanero sauce and I put it back in the oven to just keep warm. Very simple. It's very good.
Wow.
But the coconut, the pineapple rice, ooh, let me tell you how I did it.
Cause you know you can ask for a recipe.
Yeah, and we like our wings to be dry. We really do. We don't like when it's wetty.
This is good.
Oh man.
Man, you got good on the air fryer.
That sauce. Oh, ow.
It's the air fryer for me.
Oh shoot.
Oh, you cut? Yeah, be careful.
Ooh. I cut myself today. Okay. So what I did was I sauteed some onions and some garlic in some coconut oil. After that, I got some coconut milk and I took a half a can and I took like a handful of pineapple. Put it in my blender, blend it up, then I strained it and put it in the pot with the onions. Then I added the rest of the coconut, added some seasoned salt, some black pepper, and a little bit of chicken stock.
What?
Yeah, chicken stock. Put some rice in there and that was it. Coconut pineapple rice. And you can taste the pineapple.
Yeah. I can't eat regular white rice again.
If you want it to be even more pineapple-y, you can cut up chunks of pineapple and throw it in there. It'll be just as delicious. But it was my first time making it.
Came out delicious.
Came out delicious. It reminds me of the carrot rice.
Wow.
That carrot rice, woo.
That's spectacular.
Let me make sure.
Oh.
I'm trying to make you see the picture, man.
You can't put that on. Put some of this man, you can't see the picture.
Now work, man. Yeah, it's alright.
No, it's here.
You guys, there you go.
Yeah. I show them.
Okay. Let me show them can't see
They
the
already
whole
saw
time.
it. They already said they love the presentation.
Thank you. And you gotta put some parchment paper so that the wings doesn't get too soggy. And it is spicy. And what I did is if you don't want it to be too spicy, don't put the sauce in the bowl and then toss it. Brush it on there so you can control how much sauce you put. You understand?
You understand?
And then because the chicken wing is so spicy, you get a nice salad to cool down your palate. That's why I have the salad there.
Yeah, chef man.
I learned from my sister. My sister, she doesn't do nothing normal. You can't go to her house and say you just want some rice and chicken. It's always gonna be presented to you like you are in a 5-star restaurant. Trust me. So I learned a lot from her.
Oh, this is my presentation. I think I hear everyone know. But I'm not put my chicken behind it, so you know.
It's gonna work?
I work for free. They can't see. First, you can see first day the presentation, right now? You can't do that. Not eat my food. Excellent.
It's very good.
Okay. That air fryer is nice. I like it. Damn. The air fryer, they won't put the whole cow in night, no?
If we make...
Don't say it. I'm gonna see the idea. Other people you watching, you go see the idea.
Oh yeah, them love teeth. Alright. How you know? Twinning.
These wings is. I don't know. Yeah.
Do we ask them if they like their wings dry?
Yeah.
We did before, right? No?
How you like your wing? You already know how we like it. Wow. You done? Oh, someone you know.
Why? I think I'm done.
I brushed it to you.
Oh my god.
This is good.
Hey,
So good.
my
Oh,
my cut, man.
it's burning. All
I
right.
cut myself. And I was chopping up something.
I'm gonna pick it up with the hot one. That's good.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Let me use this hand then.
I hope you like the barbecue fry we just yesterday.
That was ooh.
Yeah. Nice one.
Ooh.
Pepper.
Yeah.
Very good. Bye.
Bud.
I look good right now.
I love the crunchy part of the chicken. Any chicken is so crunchy.
Do you have chicken bone too? Not only me.
Ooh.
Well, water? You want to put some water on that thing? And you put that away? Huh.
You talking fart again? You what you say doing?
I'll chew my chicken bone. I have it raw. Why doesn't it come down?
Got it!
The drop?
You better try and put my chicken wing back if you know it's good for you.
No chicken wing. Your chicken wing also.
You think you slick,
Well, I ain't
but you wasn't fast enough because Messiah. It's okay. It's his birthday.
Who said it's my birthday?
It's not his birthday, guys.
My birthday is not until April, guys. Y'all will know when it's my birthday. We gonna turn up.
Turn up.
So,
I get everything off the bone.
But
I don't
first-
care.
but first day of the birthday coming up though.
Oh yeah, what the hell? I got rice in my bosoms. Ooh, excuse me, guys.
First day of the birthday show coming up. That first lady?
Yep, I'm gonna be the big 5-0.
They're gonna go 50.
No, I'm not.
They don't know how old you are anyway.
Some of the family members do.
Yeah, some of them.
Yeah.
Some of them do.
The rice is really, really good.
Nice, man.
Even if you just make you can do coconut milk as well. But if you get coconut oil and coconut milk, it's so much better because it brings out the coconut. Like
No. It's not recording.
it's not.
Alright, still gonna eat.
Sometimes you're annoying enough.
Food nice or free.
You're very annoying.
Yo!
I'm not gonna lie.
The
You're
pineapple
very
skin one, you
annoying.
know? See? Alright, I'm alright.
You told me to run back the you want?
Alright.
Alright, Gucci.
Yo, the rice nice and nice, man. Let's put that.
Sunny and the cucumber.
Family is real.
I love these little cucumbers.
Nice, huh?
I can double dip.
I like the sauce. One day.
Alright? I didn't want to put too much because, like I said, it's spicy, but I Oh, this is parchment paper. So you put it in there. So, you know, you just dig it out, cut it in half, dig it out. And you put parchment paper so that the chicken wings doesn't get soggy because we don't like soggy wings. So.
No way, Jose. Yeah. I enjoy this meal again. I drink my water. Got people watching. Yeah, what? You have enough water?
And next one, Dutch.
Yeah, I drink my water. People have to drink my water.
Woo.
Oh.
And that's it.
Excuse me.
Good.
Take one more bite. There we go. Food. You know what? I'm putting pineapple right back inside the pineapple. Like, can't freeze this.
You can still use it.
Our family. Let you know something. This can make pineapple juice too.
Oh yeah.
Boil the skin.
You wash it? Well, I already washed it before I cut it. That's right. Tell them. Yep.
Can make a pineapple juice out of this too.
Oh yeah.
And this part right here, you could have planted black.
If you cut it and you plant it, you gotta put it in water.
And it grow. Let the roots grow a little bit. And then you plant it. Right here, make some good pineapple juice.
And some ginger.
Yeah, smell it.
Not gonna lie, this was delicious. I'm liking this wingathon.
I'm liking the air fryer.
Yeah. It's a good combination. Ooh. You gonna make something tomorrow? I can't wait for that.
You don't know. I'll let you know. Wow. That's good. My first day, that's my first day full.
I am full. I'm eating my last wing though. I would have had 2 more. This one, another one. But somebody teeth it.
Not yet. Word of wisdom. You got done from God. I do not. What about mutton?
My gosh.
Oh.
My rice that's in my shirt.
Family. Drinking my water on the rocks. You know how I do it. Okay, family. First lady, your turn now. Family, why try and be fake when being real takes less effort? I'll say it again. Why try and be fake when being real takes less effort? All I gotta say, one word if you want. No, I'm counting my food. Why? It's so hard. Okay? What's your first lady?
Oh
You
yeah.
got something to say about that?
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh, mind my business.
I thought you had something to say about that.
No, shut up. I said nothing. Nothing. What movie is that from?
Love and basketball.
No.
Make sure you put that right back in the pot. I want that shit. The rice alone you can eat, you know?
That's how good it is. This rice, simple.
Oh, God, you can't just splash anything when you're.
You take, yeah, I'll take that, baby. Yeah.
See? I should put the floor on that. Inside there?
You just scoop it out. I scoop it out good too. I didn't leave nothing.
Yeah, man, greedy people do that, man. You should call yourself a greedy couple. Yeah. Whoa, that one is sweet, man. Call yourself a greedy couple because you can. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for coming to the show. We just talk whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Full agrees.
That's it. That's how we do. We just talk. You know what I'm saying? Don't make no sense come in and just sit down and just don't and be quiet. It's hard to be quiet anyway.
Yeah, we talk too much.
Yeah, we talk about what.
We sure do.
We appreciate all of y'all, every single one of y'all. The new ones that's coming out now, you know what I'm saying?
Definitely.
And finally subscribing. We appreciate y'all. Every other family member, we appreciate y'all. And we shared. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You reach as far as mother well, just subscribe. Talk to them first, lady.
Whew, I'm full. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another wingathon mukbang. Bye.